Hello, this video is for Arturia in reference to my components, my BeatStep Pro Arturia keystep and my Mini Brute 2S. This is about the knobs and sliders, you know, the encoder knobs. So if you look here, you can already see how things are stuck. Listen very closely. Very tacky. This is every encoder, as well as these D switches and knob covers rather, on the potentiometers for the keystep, as well as every encoder on the BeatStep Pro. There's a very gross, tacky feel when working on music. Kind of makes it hard to enjoy it. Right here, right off the bat, on the Mini Brute, you can actually see this gunky deterioration, and you can like hear it. This one especially, you know, they kind of all at different rates. It's the same with these. The sliders, the rubberization on them has made it very gunky. It's literally every knob, every encoder, every slider, you know, I mean, everything's kept very well, closed in studio, dust free, and they will attract dust because of the, you know, gunk. But yeah, so it's for the BeatStep Pro keystep Mini Brute 2S. Thank you.